Here we have the problem on trigonometric ratios. That is, if 2 sin square A minus cot square B is equal to 1, then sin A sin B is equal to 2 sin square A minus cot square B is equal to 1. Cot B is equal to what? That is cos B by sin B. So by substituting here 2 sin square A minus cos square B by cos sin square B. Sin square B is equal to 1. Take LCM as sin square B, then 2 sin square A into sin square B minus cos square B is equal to sin square B. So you have to write cos square B is equal to 1 minus sin square B. So from this one, this is 2 sin square A into sin square B minus of 1 minus sin square B is equal to sin square B. Then what we will have? This is 2 into sin square A sin square B minus 1 minus into minus plus sin square B is equal to sin square B. This one cancel. 2 sin square A sin square B is equal to 1. To take into this side, that is sin square A sin square B is equal to 1 by 2. So sin A sin B is equal to plus or minus 1 by root 2. So sin A sin B is equal to what? Plus or minus 1 by root 2. 2 is the answer. Here we have the problem. The value of sin power 6 theta plus cos power 6 theta plus 3 sin square theta cos square theta is. So we have given sin power 6 theta plus cos power 6 theta plus 3 into sin square theta cos square theta. Okay, all of you. This can be written as sin square theta whole cube plus this can be written as cos square theta whole cube plus 3 into sin square theta cos square theta into 1, that is sin square theta plus cos square theta. Why? Because sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So you have to write into sin square theta cos square theta. So this is in the form of a cube plus b cube plus 3ab of a plus b. This is the algebraic formula. Is equal to what? Is equal to a plus b whole cube formula. This is the algebraic formula. So here a is equal to what? A is equal to sin square theta, b is equal to cos square theta. Then a plus b whole cube, that is sin square theta plus cos square theta whole cube, that is 1 cube. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Trigonometric first identity is equal to what? 1. So this is the 2 is the answer. Okay, all of you. Dear viewers, we have the problem, that is x tan square 120 degrees plus 4 cos square 150 degrees is equal to 9. Then x is equal to what? So x into tan square 120 degrees, tan of 180 minus 60, tan square 180 minus 60 plus 4 into, this is cos of 180 minus 30, cos square is equal to what? 9. So x into tan 180 minus theta minus tan theta. Why? Because it is the second quadrant. In second quadrant tan minus, but whole square is there, so it is positive. Minus whole square is positive. So this is tan square 60 degrees. Here this is the supplementary angle, then tan becomes tan only. plus 4 into this cos of 180 degrees minus theta is minus cos theta. Why? Because 180 is the supplementary angle, then cos becomes cos, but is in the second quadrant. Second quadrant cos negative, but whole square is there, so whole square minus whole square is positive. So this is cos square of 30 degrees is equal to 9. But what is tan 60 degrees value? Tan 60 degrees value root 3, and cos 30 degrees value is what? Cos 30 degrees value root 3 by 2. Then you have to substitute x of root 3 whole square plus 4 into this value root 3 by 2 whole square is equal to 9. So this is 3x plus 4 into 3 by 4 is equal to 9. This one cancel, implies 3x plus 3 is equal to 9. 3x is equal to 9 minus 3. X is equal to 6 by 3. 9 minus 3, 6. 3 2 ja is equal to 2. X is equal to 2. So 3 is the answer. That is 2. X is equal to 2. Okay, all of you. That's all. Dear viewers, we have the problem in triangle ABC, right angle triangle at C. At C. So then tan A plus tan B is equal to. Here this is the right angled triangle. Right angled at C. This is A, this is B, and this is small a, this is small b, this is C. Okay, all of you. So here tan B is equal to what? Tan B is equal to opposite side by adjacent side to the this B. So B by A. Similarly, what is tan A? This is tan A. So tan A is equal to A by B. Tan A is equal to A by B. Tan B is equal to this one. And also this is the right angle triangle. Then we have A square plus B square. A square plus B square is equal to C square. Why? Because AB is the hypotenuse opposite to right angle. Then this is the side, this is the side. A square plus B square is equal to C square. So we have to find this value tan A plus tan B is equal to B by A plus A by B. So AB is the LCM. This is B square plus A square. But A square, this can be written as A square plus B square by AB. But A square plus B square is equal to what? C square. So C square by AB. Here we have the options. 3 is the answer. C square by AB is the answer. Okay, all of you. Here we have the problem, that is A is equal to sine 170 degrees plus cos 170 degrees. These are the options given. A greater than 0, A less than 0, A is equal to 0, A is equal to minus. So you can write A is equal to sine of 180 minus 10 plus cos of 180 minus 10, 170 degrees. So A is equal to what? This is the supplementary angle. Sine becomes sine 10. This is the second quadrant. In second quadrant, sine positive. Here cos 180 minus theta, that is second quadrant, cos as negative, and 180 is the supplementary angles. Cos becomes cos 10, so minus. So it is the second quadrant. In second quadrant, cos as negative. So A is equal to sine 10 minus cos 10. Here you observe here, this is the cos is the decreasing function in first quadrant. Sine is the increasing function in the first quadrant. So this is the more value, this is the less value comparing. This is the decreasing function. 0 to 90 degrees is a decreasing function. This is the increasing function. So we have sine 10 minus cos 10 is the less than 0. So A is equal to sine 10 minus cos 10 which is less than 0. So a less than 0. So 2 is the answer. Okay, all of you.